We are over at the Daily Mail from the UK exclusive. The View host, co-host Sonny Hostin's surgeon husband, Emmanuel, accused of insurance fraud in bombshell lawsuit. Trouble on the set of The View. Sonny Hostin, the most preachy and condescending member of The View, her own husband, is getting nailed for insurance fraud. Welcome to John Mike Keene. Let's check this article out together. The longtime husband of The View co-host Sonny Hostin is starting the new year under a cloud after being accused of federal insurance fraud. Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Emmanuel Manny Hostin is among nearly 200 defendants named in one of the largest RICO cases ever filed in New York. Sonny has a lot of experience with RICO cases, given she thinks Trump should be up for RICO charges in Atlanta, Georgia, under Fani Willis. And now her husband is under the largest RICO case ever filed in New York. I wonder if Letitia James has anything to do with this. He and many of the others are accused of getting kickbacks by performing surgery and fraudulently billing a company that insures taxi companies and Uber and Lyft drivers. Mr. Hostin knowingly provided fraudulent medical and other healthcare services, including arthroscopic surgeries. The lawsuit, filed on December 17th, claims the insurance firm American Transit was then billed in exchange for kickbacks and other compensation, which were disguised as dividends for other cash distributions. Hostin's attorney, Daniel Thwaites, told Daily Mail his client, quote, denies each and every allegation. Of course he does. And called the lawsuit a, quote, blanket, scattershot, meritless lawsuit by a near bankrupt insurance carrier. There he is with his superstar wife, condescending wife, Sonny Hostin. There's the criminal right there, allegedly. It is meant to intimidate and harass doctors from collecting for care given to American Transit insureds and their passengers, Thwaites said. He said Hostin has an impeccable record, adding American Transit has rushed into the lawsuit without ever conducting an examination of Dr. Hostin or expressing any concern to his lawyers. Sonny, a lawyer and former prosecutor, is senior legal correspondent and analyst for ABC News, as well as co-host of The View, so she can help her husband read this legal document. In furtherance of schemes to defraud alleged herein, Mr. Hostin knowingly provided fraudulent medical and other healthcare services, including arthroscopic surgeries, to covered persons through Hostin's orthopedics that he purportedly performed at one or more of the Surgicorps ASCs. Sonny Hostin is no stranger to talking about her marriage on The View. Back in February, co-host Whoopi branded her a B word when Hostin openly slammed her husband's cooking live on the air. American Transit claims rampant insurance fraud is endemic in New York State, thanks to the no-fault law under which insurers must pay up to $50,000 for medical expenses for people injured in road accidents. These substantial possible no-fault recoveries can incentivize providers with ill intent to overdiagnose, overtreat, and overbill to recover the most money for themselves, American Transit said in the statement. Quote, in aggregate, those abusing the no-fault law have racked up hundreds of millions in fraudulent payments, destabilized the livery insurance market in New York City, increased premiums for hardworking taxi car and livery drivers, and harmed the public. Thank you, Sonny Hostin. American Transit is seeking more than $450 million of damages in this case. I think they should get that payback. I think they have that coming. The insurance company claims Hostin was given an investment interest in Empire State Ambulatory Surgery Center in exchange for referring a, quote, steady stream of patients. Empire State ASC issued regular payments to or for benefit of Hostin, which in fact were illegal kickbacks for referrals, the court papers claim. This is common. I had a buddy busted for this in Los Angeles. This is very good news because we like the idea of reducing insurance premiums, and people that take advantage of that, well, we got to stop it. This is when we need Sonny Hostin to read the legal notes. Mr. Hostin claims to be not guilty and denies all these claims. I'm John Mike Keene,